So I did something kind of cool with my Meshtastic system by making a base node at my house. So let's go ahead and see how well this one was working. I put together a cool little box. So this box just has a solar panel on the top, and on the inside, yep, there's that simple. I threw a Meshtastic with a battery, the solar wired through, the RF connector then going out, and it's mounted with this very, very large antenna that gives it wonderful freaking range. So then using that whole system, it's able to charge itself during the day, and during the night it runs almost the whole night and pairs over to my computer. And then here you can see it. Via Bluetooth, I was able to pair to that device and use the Meshtastic web client to then be able to connect to it. And just by using that simple little solar panel, which I think is only a couple watts, it's been successfully charging it. And of course, the whole goal was to make it so I have better connectivity from anywhere. The house becomes one of the nodes that I'm kind of located near the forest and can then be able to bridge to many other nodes if needed. And I have these little mobile nodes that make it so that I can bridge, as I'm hiking and trekking around. So yeah, that's like Meshtastic in a nutshell for like the actual use case. To be able to message and communicate with your friends without a grid.